Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes. So students, I'm back, your maths teacher, and we are here to do some maths exercise. So everyone is excited? Very good students. Quickly take out your books and your pencil box students. Today we are going to do the exercises of chapter 1 numbers up to 999. So students, today we are going to do the exercises of chapter 1. Before that, just quickly revise the concepts of chapter 1. So everyone, listen to me very carefully. So in this chapter, first what we have learned student, we have learned three-digit numbers students. In the three-digit numbers, how we are forming the three-digit numbers? By counting the number of 100 blocks, 10 blocks and ones blocks. As we can see, if we have to form a number 101, then what we have seen at the 100 place value we are having 1. So we have to form a 100 block, that is 100 block, and for tens, we are having 0, and for ones, we are having 1 student. So we have to form one ones block, as you can see. So with this, we are forming a three-digit number 100, 1 student, and its number name is 100, 1 student. Now, we are going to understand how we can write the numbers on abacus. So we have to make the beats on abacus at their respective place value. Let's say we are having a number 614. So what we have 614. What we have seen over here? We have 6 at its 100 place value. So how many beats we have to make on 100th place value on abacus? 6 beats students. So we are making 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, we have to make 1 at tens place value. So we have to make 1 beat at tens place value in the abacus. So we have to make 1 beat. Now for the ones place value, 4 is written. So what we are going to do? We have to write 4, or we have to make 4 beats at ones place value student. So we are going to make 4 beats at ones place value. With this, we are writing a number 614 on the abacus. So everyone is understanding how we are writing the numbers on abacus? Very good students. Let's move to our next concept. How we can write the place value and the face value of the numbers. For writing the place values and face values, what we have to do? The place values are the values the number occupies the position. So as you can see, if we are having a number 854 with us, and what we have seen that 4 is having the ones place. So its place value is 4. And if we are talking about face value students, then the face value is the number itself. So at this number, what we have seen, 4 is written. So 4 is its face value. Moving to the next one, we are having 5 at tens place value. So it occupies the tens place. So its place value is 50. And its face value is the number itself. So number is 5. So its face value is 5 students. Similarly, if we are having a number 8 at 100 place, so it occupies the 100th place. So its place value is 800 and its face value is number itself, that is 8. So with this, we are forming the numbers and we are finding the numbers, place values and their face values. So everyone is understanding how we are going to find out the place values and place values? Very good student. Moving to the next concept. Now we are going to understand how we can write the numbers in expanded form and in the short form. So when we are writing the numbers with their place values, then the number is written in expanded form. And whenever we are omitting zeros in the expanded form, then we get the number in its short form, students. So let's take an example. If we are having a number 607, then what we have seen, the place value of 6 is 600, tens is having 0, so we have written 0, and 7 is having at 1's place. So we can write the number in expanded form is 600, add 0, add 7. So with this, we are getting the number in expanded form, student. Similarly, if we are omitting the zeros from expanded form, that is the two zeros, so we are getting the number in short form, student, that is 607. So everyone is understanding how we are making the number and writing them in expanded and in short form, students. Now moving further, we are going to understand how we can write the successors and predecessors of the numbers. So whenever we are talking about successors, successor says after, students. So whenever we wanted to write successor of any number, we are going to write the number just comes after that number. Or we can say that we are going to add 1 to that number. It becomes its successor. Similarly, whenever we are going to write the predecessors of any number, so we have to write the before of that number. If I am asking you, you have to write the predecessor of any number, then you have to write the number just before that number. We have, so, or we can say that we have to simply subtract 1 from that number to get the predecessor of that number. So with this, we are finding the successors and predecessors of the numbers. Moving to our next concept is number combination. In number combination, what we have to do, if we are having the different digits and we can form different numbers from these digits by interchanging the place values of the digits. As you can see, let's say we are having three numbers and three digits, that is 7, 8, 9. Now, by interchanging their places, we can form different numbers. Let's see, we can form 789. Now, we are interchanging the digits of 789. Then we are getting 897, then 978, 798, 879, 987. So what we did over here, we are interchanging the places of these three digits 7, 8 and 9 to form different numbers, students. Now with these numbers, we can also form the smallest number and the greatest number. So for forming the smallest number, what we have to do? We have to write the smaller number first, then greater, then greatest. Similarly, if we want to find the greatest number, then what we have to do? We have to write the greatest number, then smaller, then smallest number. But students, if we are having 0 in our number, that is 830, if we are having these three digits, then always keep in mind 0 never takes the 100th place. 0 never takes the 100th place, student. It will become wrong. If we are keeping the 0 and putting the 0 at 100th place, so the number formed is only 2 digit. As you can see on the screen, we are having just a 2-digit number 38. So, and we have to use all the digits. So what we have to do? We have to keep 0 either at 10th place or at 1's place. So everyone is understanding how we can form the numbers by using the different digit combinations. Very good, students. Now, what we are going to understand, how we can compare the numbers. For comparing the numbers, student, what we have to do, we have to check their 100 place value. The number which is having bigger 100 place value, that number is bigger. And if the 100 place value is same, then we are going to check the tens place value, student. And if the tens place value, the number which is having tens place value bigger, then what we are going to do? The number which is having tens place value bigger, that number is greater, student. Similarly, what we have to do, if the tens place value is same, then we have to compare the ones place value. The number which is having greater ones place value, that number will be bigger, students. And if the ones place value is also same, then we can say that both the numbers are equal, students. Now moving to the next concept, how we can ordering the three-digit numbers, student. For ordering the three-digit numbers, what we can do, we can write the numbers either in ascending order or in descending order. For writing the numbers in ascending order, what we have to do? First, we have to write the smaller number first, then bigger, then biggest. Similarly, for writing the numbers in descending order, what we have to do? We have to write first the greatest number, then smaller, then smallest. So we can arrange the numbers in ascending order as well as in descending order. Now we are going to understand how we can write the and find the even numbers and odd numbers, students. So the numbers which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its ones place, then the numbers are called as even numbers. And if the numbers are end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at their ones place value, then we can say that the number is an odd number, student. So everyone is understanding how we are going to find an even and odd number? Very good, student. Moving to the next, rounding numbers. So whenever we are going to find the rounding numbers of any number, then we are finding its approximate value. So for finding out the rounding number, what we are going to do? We are going to check its, if we are going to find out the rounding the number nearest to tens, then we are going to check its ones place value. And if we are going to rounding off a number to its hundredth place, then what we are going to do? We are going to check its tens place value. And the tens place value is nearer to which number? Then the number is the rounding off at that number. So with this, we are going to do the rounding of the numbers, students. Moving to our next concept. Our next concept is ordinal numbers. Whenever we are writing or giving the positions of the numbers or the letters or the objects, we can say that what we are going to do, students, we are writing them in the ordinal form. Like as you can see on the picture, what we have seen over here, that the first boy is at first position, second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. So what we are going to do, we are giving them the positions to the students. With this, we are writing their ordinal numbers, students. So everyone is understanding? Now what we are going to do? We are going to do our exercise 1.1, students. Let's start with the first question. What number is shown in each group of base tens block? Now what we have to do? We have to see the what number is formed with the counting the block, students. As you can see in the first one, we are having 4 hundreds blocks. So what we have to do? We have to write 4 in just below of the hundredth place value. Now how many tens blocks we are having? We are having 4 tens blocks. For this we are writing 4 for this. Now how many ones blocks we are having? We are having 6 ones blocks. So we have to write 6 for that. So as you can see, our number is formed 446 students. So second one, you can do it by yourself. Now moving to the next one, what we have to do? We have to write the missing numbers by counting forward. What we have to do? We have to do the forward counting. That means we have to write the number, then just number which comes after that number, then after that number. Let's do the first one with me. Our first number is 826. After 826, we are having 827. After 827, we are having 828. Then 829. Then 830. Then 831. 832. 833. 834. 835. So with this, what we are going to do? We are writing the number just one after another. The next number, then the next number. With this, we are doing our forward counting, student. Second one, you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next question, what we have to do? We have to write the missing numbers by counting backward. Now in this, what we have to do? We have to do the backward counting, student. In the backward counting, what we have to do? We have to come in the back step, or we have to write the before number or the previous number. Let's do it the first one with me. Our first number is 154. So the number just before 154 will be 153. Then 152, 150, 100, sorry, it should be 151 students. Then 150. Then 149, 148, 147, 146, 145. With this, we can write our backward counting, students. Now, the second one, you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one, student. Now, what we have to do? We have to write the numbers of 100, tens and ones for each of the following. Now, we have to write the hundredth number, tenth number and ones number. So as you can see, our hundredth number is 6, our tenth number is 7 and our ones number is 2. So with this, we are writing the numbers with at their place value, the hundred, the tens and the ones. Rest of you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one, what we have to do? We have to write the following numbers in words. Now what we have to do? We have to write these numbers in their words or in their number names. Let's do the first one, student. The first one, what we have seen, 564. So we have to write the number name of 564. Like this, you can complete this. Moving to the next one, what we have to do? We have to write the numerals for the following number names. Now, we have to write the numerals. So the number names are written, we have to find their, write their only numbers, student. Let's do the first one, 892. So first we have to write 892. Then it becomes 892. Rest of second and third, you can do it by yourself, student. Moving to the next one, we have to write the numerals and number names of the following. First, we have to write the numerals. So what we have seen in the first one, student, how many hundred blocks we are having? We are having 200 blocks. Now what we have seen, we have no tens blocks and no ones blocks. So we can write 0 in place of tens and 0 at ones. So what number we are having? We are having 200. So we have to write the number name of 200. Let's write with me 200. So everyone is understanding how we can write the numeral as well as its number name? Very good, students. You can do it the second and third by yourself, student. Moving to the next one, write the number of 100 and numeral for the following. Now what we have to do? We have to write the numerals, how many hundreds we are forming and its number name. How many tens we are having? We are having 20 tens, students, and 20 tens becomes 200. So how many number we are having? We are having 200 hundreds, or instead of writing 200s, we can write 200s. For every 10 tens, we are getting 100. So for every 20 tens, we are getting how many hundred, students? 200s. And we can write the number, what number it becomes? It becomes 200. Everyone is understanding that every 10 tens is becoming a 100. What I have tell you, that 100 is equals to how many tens, student? 10 tens. So with this, how many hundreds we are having? We are having 200s, and 200 can be written as 200. Everyone is understanding how we write the number of hundred as well as its numeral? Very good, student. Second one, you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one. Now we are going to start our second exercise, student. In the second exercise, what we have to do? We have to make the number of beats on the abacus. So we have to make 2 beats on at 100 place. So we have to make 2 beats like this. Now we have to make 3 beats on tens. 1, 2, 3. Now 5 beats at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With this, we are writing the number 235, students. Rest of you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one. What we have to do? We have to find the place value and face value on of the numbers. So our first number is 827, and you can see that the 7. You have to write the place value. It occupies the place of ones. So we have to write 7 ones. Now, if I'm asking the face value, then what number is written over it there? The number is 7. So its face value will become 7, students. You can do the second one by yourself. Moving to the next one. What we have to do? We have to write the number in expanded form, students. So we are having 347. So 3 is at 100 place value. So we have to write 300 for that. 4 at tens place value. We have to write 40 for that. And 7 at ones place value. We have to write 7 for that. With this, we can write the number in expanded form, student. Second one, you can do it by yourself, student. Moving to the next one. What we have to do, we have to write the standard form for the given expanded form. What we have to do, we have to write the number in standard form or in the short form, student. Let's do the first one with me. What we have seen, we have 400, no tens place value, only we are having ones place value. So we can write 4 at tens place value, 4 at 100 place value. We are having nothing at tens place value, so we have to write 0 for that, and 8 at ones place value. So with this, we are writing the number in expanded form. In the standard form is 408. Everyone is understanding how we are writing the number in standard form? Very good, student. Rest of the you can do it by yourself. Now we have to complete the table. So we are having an abacus and we are having the beats on abacus. So what we have seen, how many beats we are having at 100 place? 2 beats. How many beats we are having at 10th place? We are having 3 beats. And how many beats we are having at ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5 for this. Now we have to write the number 235 in expanded form. So 2 is at 100 place value, 3 at 10's place value, and 5 at 1's place value. So we are getting 200 plus 30 plus 5 students. Let's do the next one. We have to find the place value and the face value. So 3 is written at the 1's place, so its place value is 3. And the number is itself 3, so we have to write 3 for that. Now 5 is written at 10's place value, so its place value is 50. And its face value, it's the number itself, that is 5 students. Now moving to the next one, 3 is written at 100th place value. So its place value is 300 and its face value is 3 students, the number itself. With this, we are writing the place values and face values. So everyone is understanding how we are doing this? Moving to our next exercise, that is exercise 1.3 students. Beginning with the first question, we have to write the numbers which comes before, after and between. Let's do the first one. In the first one, we have to write the after number. So what comes after 540? We are getting 541. Similarly, we can do the next one, that is the D part, 248 and 250. So what number comes between? The number 249 students. Similarly, we can do the E part. In this, we are having 734 and we have to write the number which comes before 734. So we are getting 733. Rest of, you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one. What we have to do? We have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order, students. For ascending order, what we are going to do? First, we have to write the smaller number, then bigger, and the biggest one. Let's do it with me. As you can see, the 100 place value is 2 and 2. So we are going to check the tens place value, 0 and 4. So this is the smaller number. So first we are going to write 200, making a comma. Comma is already making for us. So we can erase it. Now our next number will be 241. Sorry, 240. Now moving to the next bigger number, 3 is the next 100 place value. So we are going to write 330 for that. Moving to the next, our next smaller number is 7. So we are going to write 760 for that. Now, out of these two numbers, 800 and 980, we are going to write 800, then 980. With this, we are writing the numbers in ascending order, students. Moving to the next, what we have to do? We have to write the numbers in descending order. So when we are going to write the numbers in descending order, we have to write the bigger number first, then smaller, then smallest number, students. Start with the first one, student. What we are going to do, as we can see, 8 is the bigger one. So we are going to write 821 first, then 7, then we are going to write 785. Then we are having 6. Then we are going to write 654. Then we are having 5. Then we are going to write 543. Then we are having 4 students. So we are going to write 453. And our last number is only 3 is written over here. So we are going to write 3 for this. So everyone is understanding how we are going to form the descending order? Very good, student. Moving to the next one. What we have to do? We have to write the number that comes in between the given numbers. Now, what are the numbers which comes between in these two numbers? So 287 is written. After 287, what number comes? 288, and after 288, 289 and 290 is given us. So what we have to do? We have to write the in between number which comes in between these two numbers. Rest of the other three parts, you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one, what we have to do? We have to put the sign and compare the numbers. So at the first number is 214 and the next number is 95. So our first number is a 3-digit number and the next number is a 2-digit number. So 3-digit number is bigger. So what we have to do, we have to make a greater than sign, student. Everyone is understanding how we did this? Very good, student. Rest off, you can do it by yourself. Moving to the next one, we are going to start our next exercise, student. Exercise 1.4. In this exercise, what we have to do, we have to color the greatest number in green and the smallest number in red. So what we are going to do, first we are taking the green color for the greatest number. If we are going to do the first one, what we have seen, 6 and 6 are same at the 100 place value. So we are going to compare the tens place value, student. We are having 5 and 1. So this is our the greatest number. So we are going to making the outline and you can fill it by yourself the green color, student. Similarly, we can fill the red color in the smallest number. So as we can see, the 100 place value of 4 is the smallest. So we are going to make the outline and fill the red color in that. So with this, what we are going to do, we are filling the green circle with the greatest number and red with the smallest number. Similarly, you can do the other ones also. Moving to the next question, students. What we have to do, we have to find the pattern. So what we have seen, our first number is 566. So our next number will be 568. So in this, what we are going to do, we are adding 2 to that. So the next number will be, if I am adding 2, then the next number will be 570. Now if I am again adding 2, I am getting 572. Again I am adding 2, we are getting 574. Again I am adding 2, we are getting 576. Again adding 2, we are getting 578. With this, we are actually filling our pattern, students. Moving to the next one, what we have to do, we have to circle the even numbers. So in the first one, what we have seen, the number 22 is AND with 2 is the only even number. Other numbers are end with 1, 7, 3. These are the odd numbers, student. Similarly, just like this, you can do the other ones also. Moving to the next one, what we have to do, we have to circle the odd numbers, student. So in the first one, what we have seen, the number is 25 is ends with 5. This is an odd number. Other numbers are end with 0, 8, 4 and 6. All are even numbers. So we cannot circle them, students. We have to only circle 25. With this, we are doing the other ones also. Let's move further, students. Now we have to fill in the blank, students. Now April is the dash month of the year. Now April is the which month? Let's do it with me. This is January, February, March, April. So we can say that first, second, third, fourth. So April is the fourth month. So what we have to do? We have to write the position of April. That is fourth, student. Moving to the next one. The third month of the year is. Let's start counting. First, second, third. So let's see which month comes over here. January, February, March. So the third month is March, student. So we have to write March for this. Moving to the next month. The dash month of the year is February. Now what we have to do? We have to check February is which month? Let's do it with me. January, February. So this is first, second. So we can say that February is second month. So we have to write second for that. Now moving to the next one. The fifth month of the year is dash. Now we have to write the fifth month. Let's start doing it with P. January, February, March, April, May. So fifth month is May, students. So we have to write May for this. And June is the dash month of the year. Now we have to see June is the which month. Let's do it with me. January, February, March, April, May, June. 5 and this is 6th. So what we have to do? We have to write 6th for that. So we have to write the position of June, that is 6 student. With this students, our chapter 1 exercises are completed students. So till then, bye. Take care everyone.